We sort of created this chart so that we could give a really quick, broad overview. And this is the fine work of our communications director, Jacqueline Rhodes, who's here. I don't intend to get into a lot of granular detail on this, but I'm happy to when I take your questions. I'm also obviously happy to take your questions on anything on this chart or beyond that. So please don't feel like you're limited by that. But I think a lot of the conversations we've had over the years has been on a topic, right? I was here a few months ago, we talked about the clergy abuse issue. We've talked about different kind of one-off topics, not that they're not important, but I don't think we've ever gotten together and sort of tried to put it all together. And so that's what my hope is to be able to do in the time we have. So first off, and I know this newspaper remembers this probably more than any other because you covered it exhaustively. I inherited a mess and inherited some real challenges when we took over this office. And so putting aside the issues of my predecessor, we really did need to rebuild this office and make it work again, and make sure that we had the expertise around the table to be able to do our job. And we need to give the public back confidence in the work of the Attorney General's office. So my first hire was a Chief Integrity Officer. We've also rebuilt our team. We have the strongest, smartest, most diverse staff in the history of the Attorney General's office. For every dollar that the legislature and the governor appropriates to our office, we return just over $10 to the Commonwealth. That excludes money we might get back for a person who was scammed. This is just resources that goes directly to the Commonwealth. And so we got a pretty good ROI in our office. And I realize the purpose of our office is not just to return dollars to the Commonwealth, but it is one aspect of what we do. And we're really proud of the approach we take and the way in which we assist in the budget process.
Is there a dollar figure on that?
And then one of the other things that I started, which I thought was critically important, is we created this Office of Public Engagement. By the way, utilizing existing resources, and I think our community members will appreciate this a lot, is I really believe that if you get your office out into the community, you can actually stop crime from occurring, and in particular stop scams from occurring. So for example, if we know that there is a scam out there that they're using to go after seniors, and we can educate the seniors on what they are, they're less likely to fall victim to it, and that's good for them and it's good for the Commonwealth. And so we've had visits all across 67 counties in Pennsylvania. We've had 564,000 plus Pennsylvanians come to these sessions. It could be at a school, it could be at a senior home, it could be at a police station, but that's a big number, and it just demonstrates our willingness to engage with the public, and we think that that yields really positive results for people.